What is envelopes in sound design in FL Studio? Basically, an envelope is just how a sound changes over time. Like when you hit a piano key and it goes from the first hit to holding and then fading out. Let's use 3xOSC for this. I'll throw on the note real quick, then head over this little icon. See where it says envelope? That's what we're messing with. An envelope has 4 main parts. Attack. This is how long it takes for the sound to reach full volume. If you slow it down like this, it's gonna take sweet time going from quiet to loud. Decay. After it's hit the loudest point, the sound dips a bit. That's the decay phase. Like on the piano, after you hit the key, it drops slightly. You can make it super short if you're going to make a plucky sound. Sustain. This is where the sound chills at a steady volume after the attack and decay. On the piano, it's the part where the note just holds on even you are not pressing the key anymore. Release. This is how the sound fades out after you let go of the key. Think of it like this: attack, decay, sustain, and release. That's it. Once you got how this works, you can mess around with them however you want. Make plucky sounds or something weird like this, or just being experiment. Go wild with it. So what do you think? Easy enough, right? If you like this kind of tutorial, please follow, guys.